So now let's see how we can work around with Oilify effect inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with Oilify effect, you need to go around onto the filters menu around over here. And then what you need to do is you need to go around onto artistic section. And once you go around onto artistic section, you can go around onto Oilify right here. And you can see that it gives an oily look as if it is an oil paint, as you can see as I increase the threshold out. So it decreases out the details, as you can see right here. Then you can change around the exponent right here and the number of intensities around over here. And depending on that, you can see that you get the sharpness out right here, just like this, as you can see right here. You can also work around with the opacity, as you can see right here, just like this, and work around with that. So these are different aux inputs that you can keep if you want as well. So now if I were to go around and then lighten only and so forth, then what happens is that you can go around and then change the content out according to how you want, and you can press OK to apply it out right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with Oilify option inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.